Hello, how are you doing? Court course list. The word course list is not that straightforward. Let me explain this. This is the hearing list from the court's office. What this means is for a given week or a current week, what are the cases called by judge for hearing? So this list is frequently accessed by advocates to organize their work for a given week. It helps them know whether their clients' cases are listed in a given week or not. Accordingly, they have to appear before the judge. For others, like petitioners, those accused, like defenders, they could also um, use this list at some point in their um, case stage because it provides statistics, help them know under a specific court or a judge uh, what are the top who are the top advocates having most cases. So that means that that means that those top advocates are trusted and approached by public. So it helps you shortlist. Also it helps you identify whether your advocate is performing one or not. So it helps you ensure that your case is with the advocate who is safe. Now let's move on. Now, how do you get the list? How do you get the course list? So fortunately, since few years, this is available online. So edistricts.ecourts.gov.in is a all India website except High Court and Supreme Court. All other courts are available in this website. So all you need to do is go to Google, type in your area of living and enter. For example, if you belong to Delhi, type Delhi District Court and click on the web link. It will take you to the e-courts website. Now since you said Delhi, it shows you the Delhi map. Now select the appropriate location. So if you click on South Delhi, where you live, it will take you to South Delhi homepage. Um, Spend some time, get used to this page. It is helpful. Lot of information available online. Make use of it. Now today our area of interest is course list. So you click on this plus or minus, it will expand, and now this is the link course list. Click on this. Now this is the search screen to get the list. This is a daily list. Now let's see an example. So click on the court complex. So I selected Saket Court Complex under South Delhi. I selected the judge I am interested in. I selected the date, and finally you make sure you choose the correct case type, civil or criminal. After that, you get a list. You get a list. This is the course list for the specific date under this judge. You see here, this is the court, South Delhi Saket Court, and the judge name is Kawal Singh, and he is a metropolitan magistrate, which is a criminal type of judge. And this is the date where He's going to see all these cases for the specific date. Typically, there will be minimum 100 plus cases heard by a judge on a given day. I just given you a short, a small list, which is a small screenshot. Okay. Now, before we move on, let me tell you something here. Um, this list is published by court office. They publish for a week, like Monday through last working day, Saturday or Friday, whatever. So you can select each date and see the list. So, like I told you, if you are a defendant or a petitioner, someone like that, you want to know who are the top advocates under a given judge. You should analyze this data for a week and see, and you could come to know the top lawyers who are handling most cases. Okay. Now, you can click on any of these cases to know more. That's one thing. And secondly, this list is organized based on the case stage. If you see here, they mentioned here appearance. That means that these cases are under appearance stage, where the parties are called to uh, come and visit, called for to um, meet the judge. And this part, now these are party names. Capital Trust is the petitioner, and there is a petition against Mohanlal, and he is the advocate. If you click one of these cases, you will get more detailed information. This is one example. Date of filing, what stage the court, what stage the case is. The petitioner details his advocate, respondent or defendant detail, and his advocate is not listed here. Now the acts, under what act and sections this case is filed. Negotiable instruments means it's a bounced check, bank check, or not honored bank check. And this is case history from inception of this case till date. What is the progress? And sometimes you can also see orders given by judge under a specific case. And when you click on it, you can actually read the court order. This is one example. Court information is here. The complainer information, age, its house address, everything. Defendant details, age, his house address, respective advocates, and there is also a very detailed judgment. You can read everything. Okay, so that's it. So you understood today what is a course list, who uses it, how useful it is, and how to access them. Please read the disclaimer. And on a final word, I I trust this guidance was some help to you. Thank you for listening. Good day and all the best.